What's up everybody, let's be real for a second. Nobody likes cleaning. Imagine if you could get that time back though. What if I told you there are cleaning hacks out there that you've probably never heard of? Stuff that actually works and can change your life? We're talking next level cleaning magic, the kind of stuff that makes cleaning fun. Okay, maybe not fun, but definitely less of a chore. We've all been there, right? That moment you realize your entire weekend is about to be swallowed whole by a mountain of laundry, dirty dishes, and enough dust bunnies to make a whole zoo. It's like cleaning is a monster that just keeps coming back no matter how hard you try to defeat it. You scrub and you scrub, but that stubborn stain just won't budge. It's enough to make you want to just give up and live in a constant state of messy chaos. But hey, I get it. That's why we're here today, to fight back against the tyranny of cleaning with the power of crazy cleaning hacks. Get ready to kiss those cleaning struggles goodbye because we're about to unlock a whole new world of cleaning awesomeness. Alright, first up, we're going in with a classic combo that's been blowing minds for generations: vinegar and baking soda. This isn't just your grandma's cleaning secret anymore, folks. This is the real deal. A cleaning powerhouse that can tackle even the toughest grime. Think about that crusty, baked-on mess in your oven. Sprinkle some baking soda on the bottom of your oven, then spray it down with vinegar. Watch it fizz and bubble, breaking down all that stubborn gunk. Let it sit for a while, then wipe it away with ease. This dynamic duo can also work wonders on stained sinks, grimy shower heads, and even those impossible-to-clean grout lines. The result? Sparkling clean surfaces without the harsh chemicals or overpowering fumes. Next up, we're stepping into the ring with another natural cleaning champion, the mighty lemon. I'm talking about turning this citrus superstar into a cleaning weapon that will leave your kitchen sparkling and smelling fresh. First up, let's talk about cutting boards. Cut a lemon in half, sprinkle some salt on your cutting board, and then use the lemon like a scrubber, rubbing it all over the surface. The citric acid from the lemon combined with the abrasive texture of the salt creates a powerful cleaning combo that will banish those stains and odors for good. They can also work wonders on your microwave. Just fill a bowl with water and slices of lemon, microwave it for a few minutes, and watch as the steam loosens up any stuck-on food and grime. Alright guys, get ready for this because this next hack is a game changer. We're talking about dryer sheets. Those little sheets you toss in with your laundry to fight static cling. Turns out they're also secret cleaning ninjas. First of all, let's talk about dusting. Forget those feather dusters that just spread dust around. Grab a dryer sheet and run it over your furniture, blinds, and even your electronics. The anti-static properties of the dryer sheet will attract and trap dust like a magnet, leaving your surfaces clean and dust-free. Dryer sheets can also tackle those pesky water spots on your faucets and shower doors. Just dampen a dryer sheet and rub it over the spots. The fibers in the sheet will help to break down the mineral deposits, leaving your fixtures sparkling clean. Alright guys, prepare to have your minds blown because this last hack is the most unexpected one yet. We're talking about using coffee filters to clean your mirrors. Those paper filters you use for your morning cup of joe? They're also the secret to streak-free, crystal-clear mirrors. Coffee filters are lint-free, which means they won't leave behind any annoying streaks or fuzz on your mirrors. Just spray your mirror with your favorite glass cleaner, then wipe it down with a coffee filter. The result? A mirror so clean and clear, you'll think it's a portal to another dimension. So there you have it, folks. 4 mind-blowing cleaning hacks that will change the way you clean forever. Who knew that simple household items like vinegar, baking soda, lemons, dryer sheets, and coffee filters could be such cleaning superstars? If you enjoyed these crazy cleaning hacks, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more awesome cleaning tips and tricks.